can feel it.
But then he applied lots of weight.
Yeah, that's too much. No, you're killing the speed when you need it. On the takeoff, we need the speed. It is the speed that will give us lift, no? But if you apply brake and kill that speed, you're asking the glider not to fly and stay down. You see? We will practice here now. Do some dry runs, practicing coming from launch position to flying position. This transition is critical and important. Ravi takes off. Let's see. Okay, Ravi, very nice. Okay, keep your hands steady. Relax your body. Yeah, do nothing. Relax. You can start your left turn now. Turn left slowly. Hold the left brake. Very nice. See how the glider turns. Keep your body steady. Yeah, that's enough. Fly straight. Keep going. You can start your right turn now. Turn right. Slow and easy. Very nice. Keep turning right. Keep your hands steady. Keep turning right. Very nice. Keep turning. Okay, that's enough. Now relax. Easy. Keep going. Nice. Slowly turn left again. Very nice. Okay. Keep going. Go left more. Left more. Okay, that's enough. Now turn right slowly. Okay, that's enough. Now slow down a little bit. Yes, right. Hold it steady, slightly right. 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 Nice. Now slow down. Slow down. More. Wait. Right. And full brake. Full brake. Beautiful. Very nice. Okay, well done, Ravi. That was good.